Good evening. Tonight we're going to cook up a Texas Cowboy Stew. We're out here camping at Carter Caves Campground. There's only one other person out here. It's a big meal and it's just for two, but the ingredients is probably for a cowboy group. Alright, the ingredients calls for 2 pounds of ground beef, mixed vegetables, diced onions with garlic cloves, pinto beans 2 cans. We have tomatoes with green chilies. We have diced tomatoes. We have 4 potatoes that are diced, a can of corn, and we have some different seasonings in here, and I'll list everything at the bottom, so if you're interested you can go right to it. 2 kielbasas, and we're going to add it to a Dutch oven right here, and salt and pepper. And the first thing we're going to do is cook up the hamburger until the pink is gone, and then we're going to add all the ingredients in the Dutch oven, and we're going to put it on the fire. I got my little assistant out here, see if he wants to help. The only thing he wants to do is eat. Isn't that right? See? All good. So let's get this ingredients going. No, you can't have any of this. This is raw hamburger. This would not be good for you. Okay, I'm going to cook up the hamburger and we'll be back. Fire is going. Just chop this up a little bit. Now, the ingredients tells you to put the onions and the garlic with the hamburger while it's browning, and I don't want them caramelized that much. I still want them to be a little meaty in the dish, so I'm adding them now with all the other ingredients. I'll save you a piece of kielbasa. Now we add everything else into it. And the one thing I didn't call out was that you need 32 ounces of water. And the pinto beans don't get drained. Jane says it has a thickening agent in there, so that's probably why they left it. And we'll add the seasoning. It's cumin, paprika, some chili powder. We'll add the salt. And pepper. If you want to add anything else to it, go ahead. Well, I sure hope we got room. It's filling up quick. I don't think I'm going to have room for the green chilies with the tomatoes. I think it'd be overflowing by then. And I still have my mixed vegetables to add. And I would call that good. Let's stir this around some, mix all the ingredients up, and we'll throw it on the fire. But it does look good. Oop. All right, I promised my little helper a piece of kielbasa. There he is. He's such a good little helper. I really enjoy him. Yeah, and I didn't add all the kielbasa. I probably did 1.5. So but this will feed us for a week at least. Wow, it's a lot of food. A lot of food. All right, let's put this on the fire. Right, it's really looking good. It's been about 50 minutes. I'm letting it simmer. It was on a boil the whole time and stirred occasionally, but it really looks good. And Everest has been gardening it also. So we'll set it over here, take a peek. We're gonna eat. Yes, we're gonna eat. Yes. Here it is. Let's give it a stir and look. That looks delicious. You could add anything to this. I bet you a goulash would be, put elbow noodles in here, like a goulash. Man, I bet you that's good. All right, let's serve this up. Everest thinks he's getting some too. We went for a 3-mile hike. Wasn't long. It was interesting. Seen a lot of nice scenery. Oh, it's time to get busy. All right, it's time to eat. Definitely looks good. We'll get back with you later. Happy trails.